Volonaut Airbike vs Hoversurf Hoverbike S3, the future of personal aerial mobility takes flight. As urban skies prepare to welcome a new era of transportation, two futuristic machines are leading the charge, the Volonaut Airbike and the Hoversurf Hoverbike S3. These airborne motorcycles are redefining personal mobility, offering high-speed, high-adrenaline alternatives to traditional road vehicles. But how do they stack up against each other? Design and aesthetics. The Volonaut Airbike takes a sleek, modern approach with aerodynamic contours and aggressive styling that resembles a sci-fi superbike. Designed with advanced composites and lightweight materials, it focuses on agility and maneuverability. In contrast, the Hoversurf Hoverbike S3 has a more industrial look, featuring open rotors and a minimalist frame. It appears closer to a drone scaled up for human transport, though less visually refined, its simplicity emphasizes practicality, performance, and technology. The Hoversurf S3 is powered by 4 electric propellers and can reach speeds up to 96 km per hour, 60 miles per hour. It has a flight time of around 25 minutes and a maximum altitude of 16 feet, 5 meters, for safety in urban areas. It is fully electric, with a carbon fiber body that keeps the weight below 250 kilograms, qualifying it as an ultralight vehicle in some regions. No pilot's license required. Meanwhile, the Volonaut Airbike is still in the developmental stage, but early specifications promise a longer flight range, more stable autonomous systems, and AI-assisted control. It aims to fly up to 40 minutes on a single charge and may integrate hybrid propulsion, for extended use in rough terrains like mountains and deserts, making it ideal for adventure seekers. Safety and usability. The S3 comes with manual and autonomous flight modes, but critics have raised concerns about its exposed rotor blades. Volonaut addresses this by integrating enclosed or partially shielded propulsion systems, improving safety during landings or in crowded environments. Its modular build also allows easier maintenance and upgrades. Market and future. While Hoversurf made headlines for delivering units to Dubai police, the Volonaut Airbike is marketing itself to explorers, influencers, and private owners who demand high performance and style. It's more than a transport, it's a statement. Final verdict. Both airbikes are incredible feats of innovation. The Hoversurf Hoverbike S3 is practical and proven, already tested in the field. The Volonaut Airbike, however, represents the next level, smarter, safer, and potentially more capable for real-world use beyond urban limits. How about further information? Continue to watch further information, only on Mitamoto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that we can build this channel together. Thank you and see you.
Run, 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 run.